Welcome to EZ Rolloff Containers, your trusted partner for construction dumpster rental in Asheville, North Carolina. Whether working on a small renovation or managing a major construction site, having a reliable dumpster service is key to keeping your project on track and your site clean. At EZ Rolloff Containers, we know how important efficient waste management is. That's why we're here to make your cleanup process seamless and stress-free. Every construction project is unique, and so are our dumpsters. We offer a wide range of sizes to fit any job, big or small. From home renovations to large commercial builds, we've got you covered. Reliability is everything. We deliver dumpsters exactly when and where you need them. No delays, no excuses. But that's not all. Timing is crucial in construction. That's why we ensure prompt delivery and pickup so you can focus on the task at hand. And if you have any questions, our dedicated support team is just a call away. We're here to make your experience as smooth as possible. If you're planning a construction project, big or small, visit our website at www.ezrolloffs.com, Dumpster Rental Asheville NC, or call us at 828-215-3988. Let us handle the waste so you can focus on what you do best. Trust EZ Rolloff Containers to keep your site clean and your project on track.